Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. This is me, Man Fatma, and today you will learn about noun and its types. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to define and provide examples of nouns and distinguish between types of noun. So let's get started. What is a noun? Noun can be a person, place, thing, idea, and an event, etc. For example, open your book. Don't tell a lie, speak the truth. Here, book, lie, and truth are the examples of noun. What are different types of noun? Types of nouns are proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable noun, non-countable noun, collective noun, and compound noun. The first one is a common noun. A common noun is a name for something which is common for many things, person, or places. It encompasses a particular type of things, person, or places. For example, river, city, pen, and chair, etc. Here, river can refer to any river and city can refer to any city. Nothing in particular. So we can say common noun is a generic name of a person, place, or things. Proper noun. What is a proper noun? Proper noun is a name which refers only to a single person, place, or thing, and there is no common name for it. In written English, a proper noun always begins with capital letters. For example, Lahore, Qaid-e-Azam, and Ravi, etc. Here, Lahore refers to only one particular city, and Qaid-e-Azam refers to a particular person. There is no other person named Qaid-e-Azam. So we can say proper name is a particular name of a person, place, or thing. So, a common noun is a word that indicates a person, place, things in general, while a proper noun is a specific of one of those. Abstract noun. An abstract noun is a word for something that cannot be seen, heard, or even touched, but is there. It means it has no physical existence. Generally, it refers to ideas, qualities, and conditions. For example, truth, lies, happiness, sorrow, time, friendship, humor, patriotism, etc. Concrete noun. What is a concrete noun? A concrete noun is the exact opposite of abstract noun. It refers to the things we see and have physical existence. For example, chair, table, bath, ball, water, money, sugar, etc. Countable noun. The nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. Countable nouns can take an article, a, an, or the. For example, chair, table, bat, ball. Here we can say one chair, two chairs, three chairs. So chairs are countable. Non-countable noun. The nouns that cannot be counted are called countable, non-countable nouns. For example, water, sugar, oil, salt, etc. Here you cannot say one water, two water, three water because water is not countable. Abstract nouns and proper nouns are always non-countable nouns, but common noun and concrete nouns can be both countable and non-countable nouns. Collective noun. A collective noun is a word for a group of things, people, or animals, etc. For example, family, team, jury, cattle, etc. Here, collective noun can be both plural and singular. Compound noun. What is a compound noun? Sometimes two or three nouns appear together or even other parts of speech and create idiomatic compound nouns. Idiomatic means that those nouns behave as a unit and to a lesser or greater degree amount to more than the sum of their parts. Compound nouns made from at least two words. There are three forms for compound nouns: open or spaced, or space between words, hyphenated, or hyphen between words. Closed or solid, it means no space or hyphen between words. For example, six-pack, 5 years old, and son-in-law. snowball, mailbox, tennis shoe, etc. Here, six-pack, 5 years old, and son-in-law are the examples of hyphenated or hyphen between words. Snowball and mailbox are the examples of closed and solid. It means no space or hyphen between words. And tennis shoe is the examples of open or space. It means space between words. Please like, subscribe and share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching me. I will be back soon inshallah with another video. Thank you.